Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that I've done with my empty alcohol bottles, and I decided to decorate them. And I'm not a professional dot artist, and it's something that I've learned by watching other people do this technique. So I hope you enjoy it and maybe try it on your own empty bottles that you have at home. So yeah, just have fun. And I don't know if it is a bit messy, and I have made mistakes, but you can correct them. And I am still learning. So be kind if you leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Take care until my next video. Stay blessed as always. Bye for now.